Welcome to our culinary journey through Morocco. We're about to embark on a delicious adventure, exploring the vibrant flavors and intoxicating aromas of this North African gem. Today, we're diving into the top 10 Moroccan dishes that will spice up your life. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with these mouth-watering delights. First up, we've got couscous, the backbone of Moroccan cuisine. We're talking fluffy, light semolina granules, steamed to perfection and soaked up in rich, flavorful broths. Picture this: tender lamb, slow-cooked until it melts in your mouth, or a vibrant vegetable stew bursting with spices, all piled high on a bed of this magnificent couscous. It's a symphony of textures and tastes, and it's an absolute must-try. Now let's talk tagine. This isn't just a dish, it's a way of life. We're talking about slow-cooked perfection, where meat, vegetables, and spices get all cozy in a traditional earthenware pot. The tagine traps all those incredible flavors, allowing them to meld and deepen over hours. Lamb, chicken, beef, even vegetarian options. The tagine delivers flavor every single time. Next up, a taste of tradition with harira. This isn't your average bowl of soup, it's a hearty, flavorful meal in itself. Imagine this: a rich tomato base, simmered with lentils and chickpeas for that satisfying texture. And then, the star of the show, tender chunks of lamb. It's the kind of soup that sticks to your ribs, perfect for a cold evening or breaking the fast during Ramadan. Chapter 4. Zalouk, the Sultan of Salads. Now let's talk about zalouk. Don't let the word salad fool you. This is no limp lettuce and a sad tomato. Imagine perfectly cooked eggplant blended with juicy tomatoes and then hit with a flavor bomb of garlic, cumin, and paprika. The result? A dish that's both refreshing and bursting with character. Serve it as a dip, a side dish, or even as a sandwich filler. Chapter 5. Pastilla, a symphony of sweet and savory. Get ready for a flavor combination that'll blow your mind. Pastilla. This is where sweet and savory collide in a glorious celebration of Moroccan cuisine. Imagine this: flaky, buttery pastry, layered with a rich, spiced filling of tender chicken or pigeon. The contrast of sweet and savory is nothing short of spectacular. Chapter 6. Mechoui, the king of roasted lamb. We're talking slow-roasted lamb, seasoned with nothing more than salt and cumin, allowing the flavor of the meat to shine through. Picture this: succulent lamb, cooked to perfection, the skin crispy and golden brown, the meat practically falling off the bone. It's the kind of dish that makes you want to grab a group of friends and just dig in with your hands. Chapter 7. Rafissa, comfort food Moroccan style. This dish is all about warmth, flavor, and a whole lot of heart. We're talking shredded flatbread soaked in a rich, flavorful broth and then topped with tender chicken and lentils. The broth is the real star here, infused with fenugreek and saffron for a depth of flavor that's out of this world. Chapter 8. Bastilla, seafood delights in every bite. Now, for those who like their food with a touch of the ocean, we've got bastilla. Imagine this: a crispy golden pastry shell encasing a savory filling of fresh seafood or chicken, seasoned to perfection with aromatic spices. It's a dish that'll transport you straight to the Moroccan coast. Chapter 9. Makuta, the perfect street food snack. Time for a little street food adventure with makuta. These crispy potato fritters are a staple in Morocco, and for good reason. Imagine this: fluffy mashed potatoes, seasoned with a blend of fragrant spices like cumin and coriander, then deep fried to golden perfection. They're crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and bursting with flavor. Chapter 10. Chabakia, the sweet finale. Finally, we end our culinary journey on a sweet note with chabakia. Imagine this: sesame-coated dough, deep-fried to a crispy, golden brown, and then drenched in honey. The result? A cookie that's both crunchy and chewy, with a sweet, nutty flavor that'll have you hooked. Outro until next time, food lovers. Well, there you have it. Our whirlwind tour of Morocco's top 10 dishes has come to an end. From the hearty stews to the delicate pastries, Moroccan cuisine is a feast for the senses. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey through Moroccan cuisine. We've only just scratched the surface. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mouth-watering content.